Hi, I'm Chad with ReveLux Group, and we have ReveLux and D3 LED. We're excited to be here at InfoComm this year. We have a really exciting product that is the first to ever be introduced, and that's our TruePixel product that I have here behind me. The unique thing about this is in a typical LED wall, the LED diodes are stacked with red, green, and blue on top of one another. This one, we actually are able to put the red, green, and blue chiplets behind one another, so you don't have any off-axis viewing issues. You don't see red or any colors when you're looking from side to side because you're looking through those chiplets. So we call it a true pixel because all three colors are directly stacked on top of each other. So this is a 0.9 pixel pitch, 1920 by 1080. Just a beautiful product. It's TIA compliant, so it can be used for government projects. This is a 1.2 flip chip display, 1920 by 1080. This is our NV product. It goes up to 1500 nits. Very low energy usage with the flip chip. Yeah, right beside that is another one that's very exciting. This is what we call our 55-inch display killer. So we have it right up next to an LCD 55-inch, and this is a LED version. Both of them are 1920 by 1080, so same exact resolution, but this is an LED. And the concept is we can replace traditional LCD video walls where they're the 2/3 or the 3x3 with an LED screen. So this is essentially a 55-inch LED screen replacement. So yeah, it's great to be at InfoComm. We're excited. Come check our booth out.